welcome back to our channel, and to all our newcomers, thanks a ton for clicking and welcome to German Wissen, a best place to learn German language grammar topics in fast and easy way. In our previous video, you have learned German greetings and very commonly used greets, as well as that helps you to communicate with much needed vocabulary. If you haven't seen it yet, I'll put that link in the description box. Go and check it out that as well. We are now jumping on basic conversation introduction, and for you guys to make it learn more effectively, I'll grab all the informations into dialogues. Always remember, parts of speech is formal and informal. So this tutorial is divided into two parts. In part 1 of this lesson, you'll be learning formal introduction questions and their answers. And in part 2, you'll be learning basic conversation introduction questions and answers in informal way. So if you guys want to stick around for that as well, make sure you subscribe this channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll get the immediate notification of all our upcoming videos. Now let's jump in. When meeting someone for the very first time, you'll start the conversation with, "Hello, I am called as Tina. How do you call this?" which translates in, "Hallo, ich heiße Tina. Wie heißen Sie?" In place of hello, you can also add greets you, good morning, good afternoon. Again, if you don't know how to say all these in German, make sure you watch our previous videos as well. Now let's imagine you're the one who's been asking all these questions. Let's say you're not Tina, you're Peter. Tina has already asked, "How do you call this?" Now it's time for you to respond. You'll say, "Greets you. I am called as Peter. And where do you come from?" In German, you'll say, "Grüßen Sie. Ich heiße Peter. Und woher kommen Sie?" Moving the conversation further, you'll say, "I live in Frankfurt." And where do you live? Which is, "Ich wohne in Frankfurt." Und wo wohnen Sie? What's your profession? Was sind Sie von Beruf? Telling someone about your profession, there's something important that you need to know, is the words for professions for females are different from those of male. For a female version of the job, you'll add D to the end. We have listed 3 professions: doctor, architect, and teacher. I am a doctor. Since I'm a woman, I'll say, "Ich bin Ärztin." A man would say, "Ich bin Arzt." Now with the help of these given examples, try to practice mentioned professions into dialogues. Now it's time for tricks how to introduce other peoples to one another. While doing so, you should always remember there is a proper way to make an introduction. For instance, I was introducing my principal to my brother. I would present my brother to principal because that principal is the person to be honored. You could also look at as the older person might be the honor. So you can say, "Principal Lewis, I'd like you to meet my brother James." And you must have a little bit information about both people. Now let's do it in dialogues. Here we have mentioned the common introduction of third person in English, and we will translate it in German one by one. So the very first introduction is, he is called as Joey, which is, heißt Joey. Ist 11 Jahre alt. He comes from Frankfurt, which translates in, wohnt in Frankfurt. He lives in Germany. We say, kommt aus Deutschland. And in the last, with little more information, we also gotta add, he is a school student. Ist ein Schüler. Ist ein Schüler. Try to practice all these with your friends at home, schools, or workplace a little. If you found our video useful, make sure you like it and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll receive the immediate message whenever we post, and that too on every week. Thank you so much for watching. See you all are in next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay connected. Bye bye. Tschüss.